Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover, showing today this approved used Land Rover Velar HSE finished in grey. This 2024 petrol plug-in hybrid comes with a 2-litre P400e engine and is of course an automatic. The large front pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 21-inch satin dark grey 5 split-spoke alloy wheels. This Velar features around 500 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for larger luggage items, a pram or even golf clubs. There is also an adjustable parcel shelf, and the boot can be closed automatically from just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the cloud and ebony interior with the matching Windsor leather seats. The seats do contain ISOFIX points, and there is also a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders, and in addition to this, the backseat passengers can utilise their own climate control vent with 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the 2-tone leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and voice control, and on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial, as well as map and media options. Speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel and charging stations. There is also radio with FM and DAB, and the driver can pair automatically to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left, we can bring up the rear view parking camera as well as the sensors. Below that, there is a covered storage pocket to hold your phone while on the road. And behind the centre console, there are 2 exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Velar HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.